What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are working on an STI. This car is gonna be RJ's gas car, so we're gonna go ahead and then rip out the exhaust. Apparently he bought an exhaust system, so we're gonna take care of it. It is 9 o'clock in the morning and whew, I'm tired, but let's get this done. Alright guys, we're going to be installing Uncle Rick's Borla exhaust system on STI. So we'll see how it sounds like. Alright guys, check out what we are dealing with. So we are just doing from a cat bag, no downpipe yet, or no cat delete, because we don't have it yet. So we'll hold up. Looks like somebody did a cat on it already. So if you look at it, it's been re-welded and painted. But just pretty simple. This car is pretty much stock, pushing like 15 pounds. And by the way, there's Uncle Rick right there. And that's RJ. RJ's dad. If you guys don't remember RJ, RJ's the one with the green Civic. So we're gonna go ahead and do the Borla exhaust system. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this guy and see what we're dealing with. Guys, check it out. The Borla exhaust system for STI or WRX. It's a 3-inch system. I'm gonna swap that out with the OEM stuff. Gonna remove that, but we're gonna leave the cats in because we don't have the downpipe and the cat delete or test pipe. But this style right here just uses clamps only, so it makes life easier for now for installation. But when you take it off, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, I tell you guys that. But this system goes for about like $1,000, so baller status. So alright guys, just like that, we got it out. So quick and simple, less than 30 minutes out. Go ahead, get ready, get this guy on, see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so let's check it out. Nice and chromy now compared to the freaking OE one. Fitment is pretty nice, no issue at all. Clamps are nice and solid. 3-inch pipe all the way down. They have vibration test, it's not rubbing anything, fits pretty damn good. The screws are pretty damn long too. They don't come with lock washers, so I highly recommend putting lock washers on it if you guys do install it. Just a little gap right there, but then shouldn't cause any problem. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Clearance is pretty good, so we're gonna go ahead and run it and then give you guys the before and after. Alright, so we're gonna have RJ start up, and then this is the first start. Wow, sounds pretty nice. Yeah, I see a little bit. Not bad guys, not bad. Comment down below what you guys think. Pretty simple setup. Sounds pretty nice. Sounds like a Subaru now. Not as quiet as before. Alright guys, so we're gonna rev it up outside and then so you guys could listen and see what it sounds like from inside being a shop instead. Alright guys, let's see what this thing can do. It's kind of rainy. We're in Washington right now. Still kind of quiet to me, but then I guess it sounds pretty good too. So it sounds like a Subi now. It has that Subi rumble. So I'm gonna take it, go up a hill, and then see what it does. It actually sounds pretty decent. Not too loud. It's not blasting the shit out of your ears. Guys, it's really quiet. I'm gonna roll up the window. I'm gonna close all the windows. I had the windows open earlier. Give you guys a little listen to how it sounds like cruising. The blowout valve sounds pretty nice. Alright guys, so looks like we are done. Just got done cleaning up. We're on a test drive. Comment down below if you guys like it. Like, subscribe to your channel. I also have merchandise sticking out. This is one of it. Just a little simple VM logo or VangMotive to support the channel. And then I'll leave the description down below. Click the website, buy some merchandise. I'll much appreciate it. But then until next time, I'll see you guys later.